Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In this lesson, we are now going to look at the kasra. And the kasra is the vowel marking that makes an E sound to the letters. E sound. So we're going to start here. The first letter, alif, kasra, E. Ba with a kasra, B. Ta with a kasra, E. Or this would be T. Tha with a kasra, Thi. Jim with a kasra, G. Now, instead of saying kasra, as you know that the kasra makes an E sound, I'm going to do something different. I'm going to read the letter and just the sound it makes without naming this as kasra. I'm just going to say the sound it makes. Alif, E, E. Ba, E, B. Ta, E, T. Tha, E, Thi. Ja, E, Jim, E, G. Ha, E, He. Kha, E, Khi. Dal, E, D. I hope that helps. Now we're going to read it normal. With the sound, with the name of the letters that you see here, the letters with the kasra. So here we go. E, B, T, Thi, G, He, Khi, D, Thi, Ri, Z, Si, She, Si, Di, Ti, Thi, I, Ghi, Fi, Qi, Ki, Li, Mi, Ni, We, He, I, Yi. Now the exercises on the bottom. A, the, na. Now we're mixing them with fathahs and kasras. A, the, na. Ba, qi, ya. Ba, qi, ya. Ha, mi, da. Kha, shi, ya. Remember, don't ever jump ahead. Look at one letter at a time. Sa, khi, ra. Sha, ri, ba. Aji, ba. Gha, di, ba. Next rows. Ka, di, ba. Ba, khi, la. Fa, li, ma. Ya, I, sa. Ya, I, sa. A, ba, ti. Ba, la, di. Ma, li, ki. Ha, ta, bi. I, bi, li. This one's all kasras. I, bi, li. Ki, ba, ri. Ali, ma. Irama.